Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials. Identify the camera model and whether it supports ONVIF or RTSP, because that determines app compatibility. Next, make sure you have admin credentials and the camera's local IP. Without them, you cannot pair. Once ready, open your device's app store and search the model name plus terms like camera or ONVIF. This targeted search saves time versus generic queries and helps you find manufacturer or reputable third-party apps immediately. Once you find candidate apps, evaluate them by looking for manufacturer support, ONVIF compatibility, or RTSP stream handling. That explains how the app talks to your camera. Install one, grant required permissions like local network and storage, and then add the device using IP, QR code, or Cloud ID. When adding, enter the port and credentials. If using RTSP, paste the stream URL. After connecting, test live view and a short recording to verify frame rate and audio. To finish, configure recording, motion alerts, and retention settings so the app behaves how you need. For safety, change default passwords and enable two-factor authentication if offered, because security prevents takeover. Once done, make sure the app auto-launches and that scheduled backups are set. If you can't see a feed, first verify the camera IP, port, and credentials, then check router firewall and that the app uses the correct RTSP or ONVIF string. This single check resolves most connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.